One day, the Wilson family having a big problem to manage their house.
Situation 1.
There's a lot of dust. Oh no, I am very tired today. To do cleaning, Herm, who can save me?
Oh no. Our house is a disaster.
We need help, but who can save us?
Honey, still a lot things to pack. I think we need people to help us.
But wait a moment, I think I know who can help us. We should contact Spark Cleaning Service.
Fear no, Spark Cleaning Service is here. Jing, jing, jing.
Cleaning crew member tidying a customer's messy bag.
My team sweeping the floor and wiping the table to cleaning the dust.
As we can see right now, Aida is cleaning and Shavira is doing same thing.
Member of our team ensure all tables are folded and stored properly.